Oh, hello. This is Creating Cards with Sherry. I'm Sherry, and this is our Simple Sunday video. And today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to introduce you to a brand new kit that came out, and it's called the Timeless Greetings Kit. And there's four different kinds that you can make: a thanks, a birthday, celebrate, and you make the world a better place. There's four different kinds, two cards of each. And I really like these. They're more male looking, so they're good cards to give to your husband or uncles or uh, male friends. And so that's what I like about it. Just because that type of card is often difficult for me to put together. Just because I think more about flowers and pretty and fancy and that kind of thing. Anyway, enough of that. I am going to make the one that says time to celebrate today. And again, of course, it came with all sorts of punch outs, and you'll see some of most of them today. These are the cards themselves. Isn't that a neat pattern on there? And the envelopes that go with them. And they came with the Stampin' Spot, the soft suede. And I'm just going to open up my big one, and we're going to go ahead and stamp right away. And there's two things that we need to stamp. This is the clock. And we need to get that right there. Okay. And then we're going to do our sentiment called that says time to celebrate. Oh no. Oh, good. Shoot. I was afraid it was going to smear all over. All right. That's all the stamping we have to do. It's a very easy assemble. And so I'm just going to get going. I had put the things that needed the glue dots together and the items that needed the Stampin' Dimensionals I put over here together. So we'll just take them as we need them to put them together. All right. So we got this one and here. This is the colored strip that we're using. And then the circle. I want to make sure that I get that right so that when I put it on the card, this glue is where it needs to be. All right. And then these items get our Stampin' Dimensionals. I trust you've all had a great week. Mine has been extremely busy. I started a new job, and I have been in intense training all week. And I am very glad that it's Friday because I am ready. Actually, this is Friday. I'm recording for Sunday. I'm very glad that I have some time to relax a little bit. Let's just put it that way. And because my brain, like I told my husband yesterday, my brain is mush. So it's nice to be able to just put all that aside for a little bit. I have another week of intense training coming up, and then I should be set to go. And I will be teaching. I'm going to be a reading teacher. So I'm very excited about it. And it should be a lot of fun. And I'm just looking forward to get going. I'm tired of training. Anyway, okay, here we go. We're going to start by putting our layer on our card. And if you're wondering why I'm pre-recording this, it's because I have a major project that I have to get done this weekend, and I wanted to just have this completed so that I could get to that project. All right, we're going to glue our clock on our put the face on our little watch here. I just think that looks really neat. They really came out with a nice thing to do that. All right, let's see how, oh, it goes this way. I'm just looking to see how this all gets put together. And then we'll have this. And that'll go there. Okay. Oh. So how are you doing for Christmas? Are you guys getting your shopping done already, or are you going crazy with so many different things that need to be done? We've got a start on ours, but we have a little bit more to do. We have one side of the family's done, and now we're working on the other side. Okay. And then we'll just go over that a little bit like that. Crease our card. And there we go. It's time to celebrate. Let's put a couple of these gems on it because that'll give it a nice look. Yes, the guys can have gems on their cards too. Oh, come on, doesn't want to come off. There we go. Isn't that cool? I just really think these are very nice. So again, the kit is called Timeless Greetings. I think it's a wonderful kit, especially if you want something, if you're looking for something to get for the men in your life. All right, I hope you enjoyed this Simple Sunday, And you have a fantastic weekend, and we will see you again on Tickle Tuesday. Bye now.